Hey everyone, and welcome back. And today I'll be guiding you through the process of how to get the best discounts on Norton Antivirus, as well as focusing on its main features and pricing plans. So if you're interested in getting Norton Antivirus and also save a few buckaroos, then you've come to the right place. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description where you'll be able to get up to 58% off Norton's yearly plans, plus a 7-day free trial, as you won't find them directly on their website. Okay, before we start, Norton Antivirus is one of the most popular antivirus software programs in the world. It's known for its ability to provide heavy-duty protection such as hack prevention, malware detection, which deals with the latest viruses, and a smart firewall, which monitors both incoming and outgoing network traffic. All of that comes in a package that is simple to install and can work in the background on any device without being noticed. Now, let's talk about their yearly plans and how much they cost. So, there are 4 main plans to choose from, and they support different numbers of devices and features. For example, if you choose the most basic plan, Norton Antivirus Plus, it'll cost you $30 and you'll save around $60 at a 50% discount. But if you want to protect more devices, you can get the Norton 360 Standard, which works on 3 devices and costs around $40. And a tier above this, we have the Norton 360 Deluxe, which works on up to 5 devices and has a set of additional features such as parental control. And this would cost you around $50 per year, saving you around $70 for the first year. You want everything Norton has to offer, including LifeLock identity theft protection that offers live identity recovery help, credit freezing, and even legal help, then the Norton 360 with LifeLock Select is a good option, and it costs about $100 a year. Now, I strongly suggest that you get the Norton 360 with LifeLock Select plan because it includes all of Norton's features, works on 10 devices, and saves you approximately $90. Alright, now let's talk a bit about the installation process and usability, because if you're like me, you probably don't want to navigate around a complicated menu just to get your antivirus started. And luckily, Norton has very basic controls and a setup wizard that anyone can understand and get the features they need on their device in no time. Plus, the dashboard and buttons are very easy to understand. So, if you're tired of software that has confusing controls, then Norton is one of the best options out there for you. And that is all for today's video. If you want to learn more about Norton Antivirus and get up to 58% off Norton's yearly plans, plus a 7-day free trial, check out the full review and the discounted link in the description below. And remember, there's also a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try their services risk-free. And feel free to comment below if you guys have any further questions, as I love getting to interact with all of you. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.